Boys. We're back with another one, and today we're going to be putting this wood floor in the trunk of the Civic. We're going to make it look dope. So one of my neighbors suggested that I put a sheet of plywood down before I do this, but I think I'm just going to try it like this first. If it's shit, then we'll do plywood later on. We got this giant box that we're going to be using to make a template. As soon as we have the template made, cut it out. We're going to go through it. Let's get it. First step though, we got to clean out this trunk. There's hella stuff in this trunk, boys. Not really. That was obnoxious. Alright, so I just took a look at the trunk, and I think that the way that this is going to work best is if we do like 3 pieces like this, just like perfectly in line, and then the last like row will be like this. Can't figure out where to put my camera right now for you guys to be able to see, so I'm just gonna make the template and I'll come back when we're going to like cut it out and stuff and trace it. Alright boys, so this template was kind of a pain. I'm almost done, but I'll try to explain what I've been doing by showing you guys a little bit. You can see this side I actually messed up a little bit. Corinne, you want to show them this side? So like I don't have it tight enough to the edge of the trunk in that spot and this spot. Alright, check this out. So like this section right here is perfect against this wall. Let me do the same exact thing with all this stuff right here. I'm just pushing into the corner and get a cut going. So pretty close. Went a little bit far there. That's okay. I'll show you guys the template when I'm done. This corner is just gonna be a bitch, so I don't want to film it. It's gonna take me a minute. I gotta be careful with it. Alright boys, we're about to start jigsawing away. Let's get it. Alright boys, so we finished cutting out the template. Here it is, it's like taken half apart. So I'm just laying it out on the floor in the order that it's gonna go back into the car. So we already have one piece put in. We're gonna go ahead and follow it up with this piece. Let's roll. So we just gotta lay this in and hopefully it'll fit. That is snug, that is perfect. Cool. Slide her in. That does look pretty cool, boys. All right, this last piece is really, really tight. I think I have to take away some material, yeah. I have to do a little trim just right here on the corner, on the edge. Let's see, hopefully I can do this. Let's try that. Let's see, hopefully this is a little bit closer. Ooh. Oh, come on, so close. Big L.
What did I do?
Oh man, this is an L, boys. I left the subwoofer wiring where the spare tire goes. Ah! Alright boys, so I'm about to show it to you with everything in it. It's all ready to go. The wood floor is in. It was really finicky to get in and it was kind of a pain in the ass, so I don't know if it's gonna stay together. Hopefully it does. If it doesn't, I can just go back, take it out, put some glue in between the wood joints, and it should stay. But here it is.
J Dilla right here. Badu. Indica Badu. Yeah, it's fine. Riding around the city where my homies blowing trees, wavy like the 7 seas, living life.
So boys, that's pretty much it for the video. Thank you for watching, and as always, if you guys like the video, please leave a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, leave a thumbs down. Please subscribe if you did like the video. As always, I'm Yanni Knowles. You guys are the best, and have a nice day.